Hey, Dana, and welcome to our vlog. Well, it's gonna be my turn to use the new WorX weed eater. As you can see, I've got a lot of weed eating to do, and I'm gonna try this thing out, see how it works, see if it was worth the money. And you got the 40-volt battery. To check that thing, you just push that after it's been charged. Should have three lights. So we're going to plug that thing in. And then this has got auto, or not auto, but you push the button here and it feeds the wiring, or the cutting wire. And welcome to the vlog. Well, it's going to be a continuation of the weed eater and blower kit. The wife used it not too long ago, and it's my turn. I want to see exactly how well this thing works. But I actually did a couple days ago, and unfortunately I had the camera facing the wrong direction. So the only thing in the camera was a picture of the heister. So we're going to go ahead and I'm going to continue around the property and show you how well this thing works. So after the battery's charged, it takes about 4 hours, being a 40 volt battery, and you can look just by pushing the button. See, you got your 3 buttons. Now, when I used it the other day, I got about 30 minutes of continuous use out of it. Take that, just slide it in there, and it is fairly light, even with the battery. But the battery actually kind of offsets the motor. All right. Can you see Earl down there? Earl, what you doing, dude? Earl, what are you doing, dude? Earl, say hi, Earl. Can you see Earl down there? What you doing, Earl? I think he's a little one. I don't know where Mama is. Alright, so let's see. I got my glasses on, and as you can see, the other day I did around there. You can see how heavy that grass is, and did a real good job as far as I'm concerned. So we did, as you can see, I went all along here, whipped it down pretty good. Now, to adjust, this is straight up and down now. So to adjust that, you actually stand on it and click it down. I didn't think that was a good idea, but that's the way the manufacturers set it up. Bring it back up to where it's comfortable for you. This here, push in, you can adjust the handle, and I want it down a little bit further. I want it like right about there. Now, you just can't squeeze the trigger. You got to push the button in, and then you let go, and then it locks it. This button here is a auto trimmer wire release, and it'll automatically, you don't have to do anything here to get more string, so to speak. But if you don't want to use that, there's a little button right here. You push that button in, and that releases. It'll give you just a little bit at a time, and that's the manual side. But to get it to increase, you go ahead and just do that. Roll disappeared already. Looks like your roll disappeared. So let's see. We'll see how. I'm going to show you how well this thing does. That's some thick grass right there. Actually, probably become hay. You see that? I don't know if 20. I know our little 12 volt was definitely a weak. The nice thing about it is you don't need earplugs or anything, because you know a gas trimmer is going to be heavier, and it's also going to make a lot of noise. So you're going to have earplugs. Gotta have glasses on, though. Gotta have glasses. Okay, what did we lose? Lose my string completely? Lost my string completely. Let's see, push this in, pop it out. And here's your little bobber string. Okay. It got some really heavy stuff in there at the time, isn't it? Get a little break right there. Come on, look at me. I think the new ones come already rolled, because I know she got a bunch of them a while ago. Okay, so my knife. Huh. I hadn't planned on having to do this for the video, but cool. Huh. There you go. Alright. Spring is sprung. Just for a second. Okay, it shows the direction it's going to spin. So guess this. Okay. It's going to be on that little thing there, so back through there. Okay. Cover back on. Just push that. We'll lock in. Okay, and there you go. And push that again. You can feel it just release. Okay. There we go. Alright, so that was unexpected. I wasn't expecting that. So. And now, let's see. There is a cutter, blade cutter right here, and that's going to cut it just the right length. You see the blade cutter right here? And now we'll just cut it and leave it about 6 inches long. There we go. Let's do it again. Yeah. Oop. Lost it again, huh? Yep, lost it again. That's some stuff in there, people, so back out again. Let's go this time. Huh. Interesting. That's some heavy stuff though. I think what's happening is because this is so tight. In here that it breaks off. There we go. It was real simple to do, so it's a good thing because I know my other one, my gas one, is not so easy. Make sure it doesn't. It's got to go around the top. You see, it wants to get caught into the bottom now. Okay. Okay, there we go. Squeeze it back in there. Give me a little more. In fact, I'm gonna use the auto here and see how. You heard it. You heard it. You heard it hit and cut. There we go. Now this is like a tween. It's twisted. It's a twisted plastic thread. Okay. Oh, huh. Again, this is some really heavy stuff I'm cutting. And I'm just wondering if the thread here, being I believe it's plastic filament, as it gets older, it gets very brittle. But at least it's a simple thing. You can hear it when it hits. String vine stuff. All right, sweet. I'm not going any further in there.